Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll be learning about the basics and flow of Power BI. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool from Microsoft. It helps us connect to different data sources, visualize them, and share insights easily. Think of it as a smart assistant that turns raw data into clear, interactive reports. Why do we use Power BI? Because it allows us to create beautiful dashboards, interactive reports, and even real-time updates. It's cloud-based, which means we can share our reports online with anyone in the world. The flow of Power BI is simple. First, connect to data. Second, transform and clean it. Third, build models and relationships. Fourth, create visualizations. Finally, share your reports or dashboards. We'll look at each step in detail. Power BI supports many data sources: Excel files, CSVs, SQL Server, MySQL, Google Analytics, Azure, even APIs and cloud storage. This flexibility makes it very powerful for different kinds of users. Power Query is the tool inside Power BI that lets us clean and transform data. For example, removing duplicates, merging tables, or fixing column names. This step prepares the raw data for proper analysis. Data modeling is where we build relationships between different tables. We also use DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions, to create calculated columns and measures. This ensures our reports are accurate and efficient. This is the most exciting part. Power BI offers bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, KPIs, maps, and even custom visuals. These help us tell a clear story with our data in a way that anyone can understand. After creating reports, we publish them to the Power BI service. From there, we can share dashboards with our teams, view them on mobile, or even embed them in websites and apps. Collaboration is very easy. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. I'm Mohammed Arif from JDC IT City Karachi.